So, what we are looking at today is something in Excel called value tokens linked to data types. And it's information that exists on the internet that you can pull into, in a very basic way, your spreadsheets. If we take a look at this spreadsheet here, we're just to imagine that we've got some projects. And these projects are based around the UK. And what we have here is we have which city they are based in. We could, of course, have the entire address, but I'm looking at this specific function here known as the data types. You'll notice that we can identify them from these icons here. You'll see it hovers over. And when I want to have a look at a particular location, I can just click that card and it comes up with all this information about Cambridge. And you can see the data that it is linked to. It's using Bing and it has all this additional information. So it's coming through from the internet. I've also chosen to bring in the latitude and the population. You can bring in any of the columns of data that we have linked to that data type showing on that card. Let me just pull another one in, and I'm just going to put in Dublin here, and you can see it's automatically in this table fiddled out that data. So it may be that I just map at this stage the rough location of my new project. So how did I do that in the first place? So let's just go to a new sheet, and I'm just going to put project number, city for now, and we will look at the other components afterwards. Project 001, and let me just drag that down just a few, and I'm just going to put London. We can put Paris, doesn't have to be in the UK, Tokyo, Munich, Amsterdam. Depends where your projects are, whether they are in the UK only or whether so I have my cities here. As you know, to create a table, Control T, and I am now going to select these, and I'm going to go to my data ribbon, and I'm going to go and have a look in here. And at the moment, Microsoft have got these options: organizations, stocks, currencies, and geography. So I have looked at that, and I have in here got my card. So if I want to have a look at that, it is special words, all sorts of things. So I have got time zones, etc. here. Largest city, and I've got various what country it is in. So if I want to identify part of that, if I right click on it, I can see all of these, as I said, on the cards. Just cut that bit. If I go to here, it gives me this icon here to add a column. And time zones is quite a useful one potentially, because if you're working across different countries, you may want to know at the click of a button which time zone they are in. So, welcome to the world of Excel value tokens or data types. See you next time.